Everybody, it's Dadgineering. My oil pressure gauge been doing a lot of weird stuff, so I don't know if it's really the oil pump, or if it's the gauge, or whatever, or if it's the sensor in here. So what I'm gonna do first is change the sensor. Then when I looked on, I tried to look back there, and it seems like I need a special tool to do it to make it less frustrating. So lo and behold, they have this part I got it at AutoZone for about $11. That's an oil pressure switch socket, and basically I'm gonna use this. Here it is. It broke off. I gotta take that thing out and then use it. But it's like a giant deep well socket made specifically for that oil pressure switch. Hold on, let me get it so I can show it to you. Here it is right here. This is the oil pressure switch. This is a new one I bought. As you can see if I can do this. This thing fits. I'll get that in the picture. Fits right over it and fits in there, kind of like a spark plug socket. So this is because it is back here, way back here. I don't have my light, but you got to get back there just to see it. There it is. See that wire and that clip? That is the back of that oil pressure switch sensor. So that is what I'm going to change out, and you see how far back it is. And I don't know, I just was going to see if they had a tool to do it, and luckily they did, because I don't want to fool around trying to do it another way with different tools and take 2 hours when I could have just paid $11 and got it right out. So choice is yours, but $11 versus breaking something.